My name is William McMahon, and I'm interested in studying how life's continual evolution has influenced the form and process of estuaries and other coastal environments. I am studying ancient geological successions of various ages to track the stratigraphic signatures of species effects on their environment over geological timescales. For example, this summer I worked in the South Australian outback, where the remnants of a 570 million year old estuarine and shoreface succession are preserved in stratigraphy. The interest in this area is twofold. The first, the study site predates the evolution of land plants by over 100 million years. In modern estuaries, plant life aids mud retention through processes of baffling and binding. By studying this pre-vegetation estuary, we are granted a natural laboratory from which to consider how Earth's coastlines might have differed before the greening of the continents. The second relates to early animal life on Earth, one of the hottest topics in paleobiology. At 575 million years old, the Ediacaran macrobiota mark the first appearance of large, complex organisms on Earth. Our particular study site hosts the most taxonomically diverse assemblage of Ediacaran macrobiota fossils anywhere on the planet. The habitat of these early organisms was thought to be in offshore and shelf environments, but our new data suggests that they also occurred in much shallower waters, occupying a variety of coastal and shoreface settings. Geological materials formed at the interface of lithosphere and atmosphere have immense value as a record of ancient surface processes, such as those which occur in estuaries. The functioning of modern estuaries is influenced profoundly by certain flora and fauna. For example, the plants which aid bank stabilisation and biota-baiting animals which cause sediment disruption. As these life forms have not always occupied a place on our planet, their evolution should be expected to have a perceived influence on the character of the sedimentary record. Answers are hidden in the rocks.